through Celtx in case you have forgotten or you haven't used it or whatever the reason might be. The first time you log in, or you might have to create an account if you don't have one right now, and I am working on getting us a free school version of this, or we'll be able to collaborate a little more. But for now, you'll just create an account or log in with your existing one. We did do this a couple of weeks ago, probably a couple months ago now. If you just scroll down to no thanks, I'll continue to the free unlimited plan. See this down here at the bottom. I'm going to click that, and I've already got an account. You can only have so many projects, so if you haven't made a project yet, you're going to make one first. Do a new project, name it Film and TV or Film Visual Tech, whatever. You're going to be going into the projects to make your script. So I'm going in there, and I already have a bunch of scripts in this one, and that's why. A project is like a folder. You can have a bunch of scripts inside the folder, but you can only have so many folders for the free account. So project equals folder. I have several scripts in this project. I'm going to go ahead and add another one by clicking this blue add button up here, add script. Name the script. This is your noir script, so you can name it noir or film noir, and that's fine. If you have a name for it, go for it. You'll see the script pops up down here. It doesn't automatically open. You have to now click on it to get to edit it. I'm going to just type a bunch of stuff real fast, but there are 4 parts to a script format or a screenplay format. Scene heading, action, character, and dialogue. Character and dialogue will go hand in hand. Scene heading is always the very first thing, and scene headings can only be formatted 2 ways. Either interior, int period, the location name, so classroom, office, etc., hyphen, and then time of day. And it's either literally day or night. So I'm going to have that. When I hit enter, you'll see up here, this changes to action. Action is the next part. Action is the description of the scene, introduction to character, anything that we would visually witness, but not camera angles and stuff like that. We leave that to the storyboard and the director. In the script, we're going to describe how it's what's there, what could be seen, not how we see it. That's what the director decides. Do we use a long shot or do we use a close-up? That's done in production. We are not doing that in the script. I gave an example on Schoology. I'm going to go back to real fast, and you'll see this on the video too. I'm going to try to go real fast. It is going very slow. There we go. I'm going to copy and paste this text here, because this is the description that I gave, and that's going to go into the action. So if Jim, this is the first time I'm introducing Jim, I'm going to make Jim all caps, and I'm going to describe him. A middle-aged man of average height with a stern look on his face. The first time you introduce Jim, he's capitalized, all caps. Any other time I reference him, it'll be normal, like first letter, capitalize, everything else lowercase. Same thing here. If I am introducing Veronica for the first time, okay, an attractive woman in her mid-20s, dressed in red. I'm just going to correct these typos. Not really sure what the typo was there, but we continue typing. Now, let's say Jim goes to speak. This is the first time I'm going to have the character speak, so I go first character, and I put his name Jim. I hit return. Now, it automatically goes to dialogue, because anytime you have character, the next thing has to be dialogue. You only put character if they're speaking. So, it's about time, he says to Veronica. Now, Jim waits patiently for Veronica to respond, but the audience hears his inner thoughts. So a lot of times in noir, a character is going to speak, but only be heard by us. It's a voiceover. So if you're doing a voiceover, you put the character, and then in parentheses put V/O for voiceover, and then type dialogue like normal, because the actor is going to be saying this, but he won't be saying it in the scene. That's what the VO tells him. He'll be doing that off camera. This lady has been nothing but trouble. Jim says out loud to us. So we're getting information that we didn't have before through voiceover. That's a very common trope in the noir genre. So then I could have Veronica talk. And note that it's all caps as character. That's by default. I didn't have to do anything. It automatically makes it caps. Sorry. Traffic. Boom. And we go back and forth till we get our whole screenplay. And that's the gist. So I'm going to do one more scene heading just so that you see the example of the other one. So I go to a new scene, something changes. Maybe they leave. They walk to their car in a hurry. Jim looks around nervously, as though someone is looking for them. Blah, 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 blah. Continue in that fashion. So, just wanted to go over that in case there were any questions about the screenplay writing process. When you are done, let's say you finish your screenplay, you're ready to submit it. You're going to go up here to, I believe it's File, and Print, Download, PDF. So, File here, Print, Download, PDF. When this opens up, we're not going to print, we're going to hit download. And that's going to download to your computer or your phone. It's going to be whatever you named the script. And then you just upload that on Schoology like I showed you in the other video. So, thanks guys.